Hello everyone, welcome back. This is my second video and today I am going to share a chicken salad recipe with you all. This is basically focused for gym goers, those who are into muscle building, weight loss or high protein diet. So I'll be using chicken as a main ingredient, but apart from that I'll be using some vegetables, and this time I am using pea microgreen. To reduce the calorie content of the salad, I have not added oil in this recipe. So the total calorie is around 180, 30 grams of protein and hardly 1 gram of fat. So let's dive into the recipe and see how it's done.
In this salad, I have used 100 grams of chicken, 100 gram of broccoli, 50 gram of bell pepper including yellow and red, 100 gram of cucumber, 50 gram of tomato. I have used a salad dressing made out of mustard paste, 1 teaspoon along with 1 clove of garlic, salt, pepper and half teaspoon of honey. In this salad, I have used pea shoot microgreen. Friend, in my last video, I have told you that microgreen are rich in vitamin and mineral, around 40 to 50% more than its grown-up crop. So I have included in this salad as well. It will increase the taste as well as crunch and the nutrient value of the salad. Before moving on to the cooking part, I would suggest that you can even marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste for around 10 to 15 minutes. I have skipped that part just to reduce the cooking as well as preparation time. But yes, if you use it, it will enhance the taste of the salad. So let's go on to the cooking part. For cooking, heat the pan. You do not need to add oil to it as it is an oil-free salad. Place the chicken directly onto the pan. Cover it with a lid. The chicken will get cooked in its own moisture. Keep the heat on medium to low and cook it around for 5 to 10 minutes. Occasionally keep on flipping the side of the chicken and keep checking if it's done or not. You can see the chicken is getting roasted in its own moisture and heat of the pan. So once the chicken is done, let it cool and then chop it into small cubes to the same size as you have chopped the vegetable. As when you have your salad, you will get an equal proportion of vegetable as well as chicken. To the same pan, add broccoli and bell pepper and cook it. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes for the vegetable to get cooked. Add the vegetables, stir it and cover it with a lid. After 2 minutes, add a pinch of salt. The salt will help the vegetable to get cooked properly and will reduce the cooking time. Do not overcook the vegetable. Leave it a bit crunchy because it will enhance the texture of the salad and will give you a good experience. Let the vegetables cool. Add it to a mixing bowl. To it, add the cucumber and tomato and the chopped chicken as well. Add the salad dressing and mix the salad well. Friends, I would suggest not to add the microgreen at this stage as your vegetable might be hot and it will cook the microgreen. So the crunch of the salad will be gone. So add the microgreen as the garnish, as I am doing in this video. Plate the salad, add the microgreen as the garnish, and you can see a vibrant multicolor, high protein, high fiber salad is ready for you. People who are on weight loss, high protein or into muscle building can use this salad as meal replacement as well. So friends, if you do like my recipe, give me a thumbs up, and if you do have any query, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you. till I post my next video. Bye bye.